What's up YouTube? I'm Sketchy Brett, YouTube's sketchiest artist, and today I'm letting you in on a little secret, a couple of secrets. First secret is I am going to be starting a decor range. So that's going to be sculptures, things that you can put on your desk, doorknobs and drawer knobs and all sorts of cool things like that. And all the inspiration is going to be drawn from my paintings. And the second secret is I've never done this before, and I'm going to show you from day one how I do or don't achieve this. And to start, I spoke to a friend of mine, Foxy, who works in the film industry. They make all these weird and wonderful creatures for movie sets, and just asked her, you know, what do I need? And she put me onto this stuff, Monster Clay. It's a wax-based clay that is moldable and will hold its form. And then I take this to the foundry and they will be able to create casts and then cast them in whatever metal that I want. Or resin, I guess, as well. So I might make both of those. So it came in hard and soft and medium. So I got hard and soft, figuring that if I mix the two, I'd get medium. But I'm going to start on the soft one. Oh, it's not very soft. I thought I was going to be able to like scoop a handful of this stuff out. Okay, I've got a knife out of the kitchen. The other thing is I don't have any tools for sculpting. So I raided like the little toolbox I've got here in the studio. So we just got things. Allen keys, screws, plugs. This was from a little drill set. This was from some furniture I bought. I think it's these chairs. Paintbrush, scissors, I don't know. Very, very professional here. Let's see if we can cut some of this out. Oh, I'm glad I didn't only buy the hard ones. Ooh. Check him sneaking out there, trying to sneak out quietly. Busted. This is not as soft as I was expecting.
Read the instructions inside.
Is it instructions?
About warming it in the oven.
I don't have an oven. It's an art studio, not a kitchen. Instructions. Softening methods. Including hand warmth. That's as far as I need to read the instructions. Hand warmth. I have warm hands. Oh, it's bending the knife. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Slowly. These are going to be very small sculptures. Okay. Oh no, it is. It can work. Okay, wait, we're going to need more than that. Ooh. Yeah, check, perfect. Oh! Professional here at Sketchy Brett Studios. Ooh, it smells quite lekker. I'm trying to think what it smells like. It smells like an old garage. You know, like a garage that's got a workbench in it. No, just me. So there's a lot of residue on my hands. And it feels like wax. I can feel the wax on my hands. Now my paper's probably not gonna work. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just draw a little chicken from multiple angles. Check this little measuring trick. Let me just go across here. So now, if we do like a little chicken, tail. Belly button. Now I've got to work out what does this chicken look like from the front. So he's got a little head here. Maybe we can make these things go like skew. And then his beak will just look like this from the front. It's just gonna look like a blob from the front. Maybe some wings. And his tail will go backwards. So that's the front. Now the back. Now the back will look kind of the same, right? So we're gonna have head. You'll see his comb over. Then the tail went to the floor. It's fatter, like that. Oh, wings. Wings. So this is, so I'm leaving the feet off. Maybe I'll put little feet like out the front here, like one. Then you can have little feet like that.
Definitely.
Needs feet, yeah. But then I've just done the same oak, like side view, front and back, belly button. I don't know why that became a thing, putting belly buttons on chickens, but it's just become a thing. It's quite lekker.
Oh wow.
But check how well, like if you it stays, and check the edge you can get. And then I just got all this stuff out of the toolbox. I think it can work. You see how it holds a shape, like if I push that in there.
Check my shape. Oh, it had to be done. Like, who else is gonna do it except your mate? Like, might as well. They're actually like the real.
We're not making the. Maybe we will make those sculptures one day. I thought sculpture was easy. Jokes. all the sculptors just went all of a sudden. Okay, that looks a little bit like that. I don't know if he's fat enough. I want it to be like a boop belly. I think I might make this more like a boop whoop. Yeah, that'll be better. Yeah, that looks like a little bit chickeny. I think I must just shape the wings quite sketchy. Oh, see how nicely it joins. Sometimes you get it and then you touch it again and then it wrecks it. Oh, and sometimes you do it backwards. Damn it. Guys, I've been doing sculpture for like 8 minutes. That one's bigger. Well, this is actually going a little bit better than I expected, if I'm honest. This chicken needs to wind its neck in. That could actually work for feathers. Check how cool that is. My tail I want to be quite gnarly, like. It must still look like a tail, but it must also not be too exact, too perfect. What do you think?
It's like a bird.
Okay, I mean, it's at least for a first attempt, we're getting to a shape of a bird. No, not a bird, a chicken. Okay, Okay, and I think he needs some big feet. Oh, I've thought of another tool that I need. I need floss, like dental floss, so I can pull these oaks off. Oh, I'm gonna get well into this. This stuff is fun. Yes.
So better than the polymer clay that you used last time.
Oh, the polymer clay is rubbish. The problem with polymer clay is as it starts to set, it like increases it expands and it becomes sort of spongy. There's probably different types, but the one I got. Whereas this stuff, if I move it, it stays. But I think if it gets hot, it'll probably start to get affected. But that's probably why there's the harder one. Okay, let's put feet on this. Oh, no ways. That looks so rad. Oh. Oh. Yeah, went well there. Okay. Oh, you know what I can't resist putting in now? Oh, it's the best. That's my thing, chickens with belly buttons. I just did it randomly one day and then people started noticing and then I was like, yeah, that's how I do my chickens. Belly buttons. It's quite cool working in 3D, like moving stuff around that haven't previously been able to play around with. Oh, my mom's gonna love this. I think I found a new obsession. Coop. Coop. That is not a terrible first attempt. And Foxy was telling me you can use benzene on this to smooth it out even more, like if you want to. I think that's more for the really hard ones, or for like some of the stuff they do, it has to be super shiny. I'm probably okay. Levi!
Yeah.
Come check my chicken. What do you think of my little chicken?
That's pretty sweet. So it's like the first time you've sculpted.
Yeah.
It's really impressive. Your wing is the same way.
Yeah. Like the feet also feel a little bit too symmetrical. I want to have like one sort of lifting up.
Yeah.
I also want it to be able to be like polished, but still have like these bumps so that it looks like the painting, like the drawings where they're a little bit wonky.
So you don't want like the feather texture, yeah, you want it to be smooth.
Yeah, I want it to be more like bumpy so that when it's reflective, you'll see it more than in its current form. Okay, so there's my first ever sculpture from my chickens in my paintings. I'm gonna do a little bit more finessing on this little guy. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. It's worked out better than I expected. I thought it was gonna take me longer to kind of get comfortable with this new medium, but it's actually quite easy, quite fun. And while I try and do the finishing touches here, I got 2 videos that I think you're going to enjoy. But until next week, keep it sketchy.